Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are iconic media business card template. You can easily download from the link in the description. Here my website GFX down from here, and here is the card in PSD format, totally customizable. And here is the Luxembourg managing director. This is maybe back of the card, and here is the text. You can edit text over here. There is cell phone. Just double click to edit, replace, and type your own phone number here, and so on. This is the icons, phone icons, and other icons, and here is the address from below, email, website, and so on. And here is the front of the card. Here is the card active media. This is maybe back of the card. In front of the card, front outfrog, you can see here. And here is the text to edit active media. And you can customize it, put your own, and so on. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.